In ancient times, in the eastern region of the island of Java, it is mentioned a kingdom led by a king named Raden Putra. Raden Putra was a wealthy ruler. He has a penchant fighting cocks. In ruling a kingdom, he is accompanied by a queen and some concubines. Some of his concubines claim that there was a concubine with a bad trait of envy and malice and a desire to take the position of the queen. In an effort to usurp her position, she had the heart to malign her.
My apologies, Your Highness, Princess. What is the reason that Your Highness has summoned me to the village?
Tapi, I want the position of queen so badly. I'm tired and bored because of this being king's mistress, and I intend to remove the queen of this palace. I'm about to remove her from this palace. I'm here to make this conspiracy against the empress. And you, Tati, you have to help me with this plan. You understand?
I understand and I'm ready to carry out Your Majesty order.
It's good that you understand and will do as I say. So, commence my first plan. Inform the king that I have fallen ill.
Yes, Your Highness, your order will be done immediately.
Before long from that evil plot, the palace physician hurried to preach to His Majesty that the courtesan fell ill. Meanwhile, the mistress was playing a role a courtesan falls ill caused by a poisoning.
I apologize, Your Majesty. I have something important to tell you. One of Majesty's concubine has fallen ill. I think Your Highness the Princess has fallen ill caused poisoning.
What do you mean? One of my concubines fell ill after drinking the drink that my queen gave?
Yes, Your Majesty. I have been sick all over my body after drinking the drink that Queen gave me. The imperial doctor said it was caused by poisoning before I drank it.
Guard, summon the empress to her face me right now.
Alright, Your Majesty.
Didn't take long, the bodyguard has arrived with his queen in front of His Majesty.
Your Majesty, I brought the queen in front of you.
Your Majesty, what caused you to call me here? Did you intentionally put poison to the harem?
I mean nothing. I haven't done such a lonely thing. This is all slander.
Never mind, I believe in the word of the healer.
What do you want to safeguard my king?
I believe you.
Forgive me, my king. I really didn't do it.
I believe you. Guard, take Queen to the forest and kill her now.
Oh.
Finally, the guard took the queen out of the palace toward the forest. However, unexpectedly, the guards couldn't bear to kill the queen, who turned out to be pregnant.
Your Majesty, my queen, calm down. I will not kill you, but I also cannot defy the king's order. Now I will leave you in this forest, and I will lie to the king that I have finished kill you.
Thank you so much, my bodyguard. I had no idea you were still loyal to me.
Thank you and forgive me. Now I must return to the palace and leave you. Take care, my queen.
Well, thank you, my bodyguard, for your kindness.
If me, Your Majesty, I have completed the task you ordered me to do. Where is the proof that you have followed of my orders? Look at my sword. Covered in blood. This is the blood of the queen.
As soon as the guard arrived at the palace, he quickly went to see the king.
Okay, very well, I believe you.
As soon as he heard the guard's report, the king and the concubine were very satisfied and delighted, thinking that the queen had been killed. After several months, the queen finally gave birth to the baby she was carrying. A baby boy was born from her womb. The baby boy was given a good name, Cindelaras. Cindelaras grew up to be a smart and strong child. He loved to play in the forest. One day, he found an object that he later discovered was a chicken egg.
Mother, look here. I found strange object that look like a chicken egg.
Wow, this is indeed a chicken egg, my child. Let's try to keep this until it hatches. Maybe it will be beneficial for us later.
Alright, mother. I will take good care of this chicken egg.
After several days passed, Cindelaras' egg finally hatched and grew into a great young rooster. The chicken very quickly developed and grew. Almost the same as Cindelaras' father's habit, he really liked cockfighting. He goes in many villages for cockfighting. Cindelaras' rooster was very incredible, brave, strong, and always win the fight against other fighting chickens. The name Cindelaras eventually became famous because of his rooster.
My Lord King, I heard a rumor that there was a boy that had a extraordinary rooster to always be matched with other roosters. It's true, that rooster belongs a boy. That's all the news I received. The boy comes from forest. I really want to know him more. Yes, my Lord King. The king's order, servant will carry out immediately.
Guard, please call her tomorrow.
The next day, the guard successfully found the boy and then took him before the king.
Hey little boy, fight my rooster right now.
The king, I will bring the king request, as long as the king is willing to fulfill the condition that I put forward.
Okay, what condition are you proposing?
The condition that I put forward is, if that I can win the match against my lord, then my lord the king is willing to give up half of the kingdom to give to me.
This child is very smart in proposing requirement.
So what if your rooster loses?
Okay, king, if my rooster loses, my neck is ready to be decided.
Alright, how about our match?
Alright, my lord the king.
Then a very fierce cockfighting match began. The king's rooster against Cindelaras' rooster. The king has tried to choose his rooster with the best condition he had to fight Cindelaras' rooster. In the middle of the match, the king was amazed. The king admitted that it was true that the rumor said that the boy's rooster was very powerful. It didn't take long for the king's rooster to be defeated by Cindelaras' rooster.
Hey kids, come here.
Alright, my lord the king.
What is your name and where do you live?
My name is Cindelaras and I live with my mother in the middle of the forest.
What is your mother name?
My mother was once the empress of the kingdom, my lord.
It's true that you said?
That's true, my lord.
Could it be true that he is my son?
Sorry, my lord king. When my lord the king ordered me to kill the empress, at the time the empress was pregnant. I feel sorry for the empress because in fact I know the truth that the empress is just a victim by concubine.
It's true that you said? So, what are you waiting for quickly? Show me, where is the empress now?
Yes, my lord king, I will carry out your order immediately.
Come on, sir.
A few moments later, the king, his bodyguards, and Cindelaras arrived in the middle of the forest. When he arrived in front of the old house, Cindelaras' mother was cleaning the yard. The king immediately recognized her and then called her.
Queen, it's really you. I'm so sorry for all my mistake for you, my queen. Why did you know where I'm the king? I come here because our son. Let's go back to the place with our son. Alright, my king. I forgave you a long time ago. Let us start our life by opening a new page of life again. Thank you very much, my queen. I'm so sorry for all mistake. Yes, my king.
At the end of the story, the king and the empress, together with their son Cindelaras, returned to the palace. The king renounced the position of the empress and sentenced the cunning concubine to the punishment. Since then, the king, empress, and Cindelaras have lived happily in the palace. After the king died, Cindelaras succeeded to the royal throne, replacing his father as a king.